Good morning, girls. Today we are going to do lesson number 29. Um, this is the last topic of chapter number 3. Uh, so, class 9th, your course is almost complete, this reduced course. So, this is the last topic. Last exercise you will do in this, it is exercise 3.7 and sorry 3.6 it is. And you girls please try to do few questions from the exercise, although I'm going to send the solution, but you girls please try to do it. Okay, let's start this topic, applications of logarithms in computations. In the last lesson I told you girls that we will do the application, and in the application we will apply all three logarithms, anti-logarithms and laws of logarithms. So you have to practice all of them. If you know how to find logarithms and anti-logarithms, then only you can do this topic. This is important topic, and it comes in the descriptive part or sometimes in short questions. Okay, so it's up to them where they are going to give in the short question answer or in the descriptive one. Okay, let's start this topic. Let me write the steps which we are going to apply. So guess you have to follow these three steps. Okay, follow these three steps. You will apply all these three steps. Okay, let me write the steps. First step is to apply laws of logarithm. This we did it last time in last lesson. Laws of logarithms, in which you change the sign. Okay, so whatever the question is given, you will apply the laws of logarithms, change the signs. Okay, product will change to plus, division will change into minus, and power you will write before log. Okay, so after the first step, second step is to find the logarithms. Okay, second step is to find logarithm. You will find the logarithms, you have done this before, so logarithm you will find using log table. So this also you will practice it before so that you can easily do in this. And the third and the last step is, in the end you will find anti-logarithms. Okay, so this is the last step, find anti-logarithms. Okay, and this also you will find using anti-log table. Okay, this you will find using anti-log table. So these are the three steps which you will apply in this exercise, in this topic. First step is to apply the laws of logarithm. Second step is to find logarithm. After finding logarithm, in the end you will find anti-log. Okay, let me explain you with the help of examples. Okay, now the example is to evaluate these two numbers using logarithms. You can simply multiply also, but it is mentioned that you have to use logarithms, so you will solve it with the help of these three steps which I told you. Now we will apply all three steps. We will apply the laws of logarithms, then we will find logarithm, and then anti-logarithm. Now this question you will suppose this as n. Okay, according to your book, it is written that suppose this is n. You can suppose this as x also. It's up to you which letter you want to take. So let n equals to this question 8.573, and second bracket is 28.5. 0.74. Suppose this is n. Okay, now after this, in every question you will suppose first. Okay, after supposing, what you'll do, you will take log on both sides. Okay, take log, because you have to use logarithms, so take log on both sides. In every question you will take log on uh, both sides. Okay, take log on both sides. Okay, after taking log, you will write this like this: log n equals to log of the question 8.573, and second bracket is 28.74. So this is the question. So we have taken log on both sides. After taking log, now we will follow three steps. Okay, first step is to apply the laws of logarithm. So we will apply laws of logarithms. Okay, so according to the law, now in the question you can see between these two brackets there is product sign. So product sign changes into plus sign according to the laws of logarithm. So this will become log n equals to log, first bracket, 8.573, product will change into plus sign. This product will change into plus sign, then write log with the second bracket also, log 28.74. Okay, so first step we have applied, we have taken we have changed this product sign into plus sign. Okay, now after first step, the second step is to find the log. We will find the log of this number and this number using log table. So the next step is to find logarithms. Okay, find logarithm using log table. With the help of log table we will find the logarithm. Okay, this we have already done it, that how to find the log using log table. So let's do it in the rough work, how to find the log of these numbers. You can do it directly also. If you have practiced it, you can do this directly. Okay, now the log of first number, okay, 8.573, will find the log of this number. Log of 8.573. Okay, we'll find the log of this. So according to the log, you find the characteristic first. So characteristic is 0, because you don't have to shift decimal anywhere, it's already after first digit. And mantissa you will check in log table, ignore the decimal, check 85 in column 7. Okay, so 85 column 7 is 9330. You will check this in the log table, that 85 column 7 is 9330, and this fourth digit you will check in mean difference column. This 3 check in mean difference column. So the value of 3 in mean difference column is 2, and you will add 2. Always add mean difference. Okay, so after adding, this will become 9332, and after adding we put the decimal in the beginning. So this is mantissa, and log of any number is equals to characteristic plus mantissa. So 0 plus 0.9332. So the answer is 0.9332. So this we will write. Okay, so the log of first number is 0.9332. So log of this is 0.9332 plus sign. Now we'll find log of the second number. Okay, I will tell you how to find it directly also, but first let me explain it in the rougher column also. Now the second number is this 28.74. You will find log of 28.74. Now find log of this number. Same way, find the characteristic. So what is the characteristic here? We will shift the decimal after first non-zero digit. So one place you are shifting, characteristic is 1. Check mantissa in the log table. You will check 28 column 7. So 28 column 7 in the log table is 4, 5, 7, 9. Okay, 28 horizontally and 7 vertically. Then after this 4 you will check in mean difference column. Value of 4 in mean difference column is 6, so we will add 6. You will check this in the table. Okay, so after adding you will get 4, 5, 8, 5. After adding you will put the decimal here and 0. Now the log of any number is equals to characteristic plus mantissa. So characteristic is 1 plus mantissa is 0.4585. So after adding this will become 1.4585. So this is the second answer. Okay, so the second answer is 1.4585. Now after finding second answer, what we'll do, we will add these two numbers. There is plus sign, so you can add these two numbers. So after adding you will get log n equals to, with calculator you can add, you'll get 2.3917. okay. Now the last step is to find anti-logarithm. This is the logarithm value. Last step, third step will apply. Find anti-log using table, anti-log table. Okay, so what will happen, n will remain here. When log goes that side, it changes into anti-log. We did this in the previous lesson also. Anti-log of this number 2.3917. Now let's find anti-log here in rougher column. Anti-log of 2.3917. We know that in anti-log, characteristic is the number before decimal. Whatever number is written, it is known as the characteristic. Remaining number after decimal is the mantissa, and we check mantissa in anti-log table. So you will check 39 column 1. Okay, 39 horizontal, 1 vertical. Intersection of these two is 2460. You have to check anti-log table. Okay, so in anti-log table 39 column 1 is 2460, and 7 you will check in mean difference column. So the value of 7 in mean difference column is 4, so we always add. So this will become 2464. Okay, So the value here is 2 4 6 4. Now the last step is where to put the decimal. So to find the place of the decimal, I have explained you in the anti-log topic. To find the place of the decimal, we always add 1 in the characteristic. Okay, so characteristic plus 1 means characteristic is 2 plus 1 is 3. This 3 means after third digit 1, 2, 3, and put the decimal. So this is the answer. Okay, so it's not difficult if you know log, anti-log, how to find it using log table. You can easily solve this question. Just go step by step. Suppose the question, if it is equals to n, take log on both sides, then apply laws of logarithm. Product sign will change into plus sign. Then find logarithm using log table. So you can find it directly also, or I have solved it in the rough way. Directly means here characteristic, it is already after first digit, decimal is already after first digit, so you will write 0 here, and you will check 85 in column 7, then mean difference column 3, add, and you will write this number. Same here, you will shift the decimal after first digit here, so one place you are shifting, so characteristic is 1. Okay, then you will check 28 in column 7, then mean difference column 4, add, and you will write it here. Okay, you can do it directly also, or you can do it in rough work and then write the answer. It's up to you how you want to do it. Then add these two numbers because there's plus sign between them. After adding, the last step is to find the anti-log using anti-log table. So anti-log is here. Okay, and in the end find the place of the decimal. So this is the answer. So these steps, if you are going to follow, you can easily do the sums. I'll give you more examples. Okay, now the second question. This example, you can see evaluate 6.735 and 48.27 divided by 16.18 the whole square. Okay, now in this same way you have to suppose let n equals to this question, and again you can use any letter x or n. After supposing, you will take log on both sides. This you have to do in every question. Okay, these two steps. The next step is apply laws of logarithm. Now the laws of logarithm means you will change the sign. Product will change into plus sign, division will change into minus sign, and power you will write before log. Let's apply log n equals to log 6.735. Product sign will change into plus sign, then again log, next bracket is 48.27, then there is division sign, it will change into minus sign. Okay, and you will write the power first, 2 log of this number, 2 log 16.18. So we have applied the laws. Okay, product sign here will change into plus sign. Write log with all three numbers. Product sign will change into plus sign, division sign will change into minus sign, and this power 2 will come before log, 2 log and this number. Okay, now after applying laws of logarithms, next step is to find the log. Find log using log table. Okay, find logarithm using log table. You all know how to find it. Let's do it directly this time. Okay, now how to find it directly? First step is to find the characteristic. Now this decimal is already after first digit. When the decimal is already after first digit, it means the characteristic is 0. So characteristic is 0 point. Now you will check this in the table. 67 column 3, 67 column 3, and mean difference column 5. Add both of them. 67 column 3, the value, whatever value comes, okay. Then column 5, mean difference column 5, whatever the value is, add both of them, okay. So 67 column 3 is 8280, and mean difference 5 is 3. So 8280 plus 3 is 8283. Okay. Directly also you can do, or you want to make rougher column, that also you can do. Rougher column I'll make it in the end, okay. So that you can check it. Otherwise you can write the values directly. Okay, then plus sign. Again, this decimal is after 2 digits, so we will shift this after first non-zero digit. Always shift the decimal after first digit. So it's not after first digit, we will shift it after first digit. One place you are shifting, so characteristic is 1. Now point, check it in the table. 48 column 2, mean difference column 7. So 48 column 2 is 6830. Mean difference column 7, value is 6. So we will add both. 6830 plus 6. So it will become 6836. After adding 48 column 2 plus mean difference column 7, add the values, okay. So you will get 6836. Then there is minus sign, so put minus 2. Now you will check this in the log table. Here again characteristic, you will shift the decimal after first non-zero digit. One place you are shifting, so characteristic is 1 point. Check 16 column 1, okay. So 16 column 1 is 2068. 16 column 1 is 2068, and mean difference column 8, value is 22. In mean difference, value of 8 is 22, so we will add 22 and 2068. So 2068 plus 22 is 2090. Okay, so this way you can solve it directly. If you think it is difficult, then in rougher column, first you find the log of this, then write the value, then find log of this, write the value, then log of third number in rougher column, and then write the answer. It's up to you how you want to do it, okay. Now what we will do, we will add these two, okay. There is plus sign between them, so with calculator you will add. So this will come 2.5119. This value will come after adding with calculator, and this 2 multiplied by this, okay. So you will get 2.4180. So with calculator you can multiply 2 into this number. Now these two you will subtract, so you will get 0.0939. This is log n. Okay, so we have solved the log step. Now the last step we'll do, it is how to find the anti-log. Now the last step is to find anti-log, okay, using table, anti-log table. Okay, let's find it. So n will remain here equals to log will go that side, it will change into antilog of 0.0939. Now in this what we do, 0 is the characteristic, so you will check this in the log table 0.09, okay, in mean difference in column 3, 0.09 column 3. So 0.09 column 3 is 1239. Check in anti-log table, 0.09 column 3 is 1239. Then in mean difference column 9, the value is 3. Okay, check in column 9, mean difference column 9, value is 3. So you will add 1239 plus 3. So you will get 1, 2, 4, 2. This is n. Now how to find the place of the decimal? We always add 1 in the characteristic. So characteristic is 0. 0 add 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 means count one digit and then put the decimal after first digit. So this is the answer. Okay. I'll do the rough work also there so that you can understand it. Okay, I'll just write it down, then you can check it yourself how to find the value using log table, or you can do it like this also directly. It's up to you how you want to do it. Okay. Now the rough work part is also done. You can check it with this, okay, with this value 6.735 is this first value, characteristic Mantissa using log table, and this answer 0.8283 is here. Then second value log 48.27, solution is here. You all know how to find the log. And the last one log 16.18 is this value 1.209. And then the last part antilog of this number, okay, antilog of this number is here, okay. And how to put the decimal, characteristic plus 1 is 1, so after one digit, okay. 1 means after first digit. If it is 2, it means after second digit. If it is 3, it means after third digit. Okay, this is not the answer, but after first digit you will put the decimal. So after first digit put the decimal. If it is 2, then it means count 2 digits, then put the decimal. Okay, so this is the answer. So it's up to you. If you want to show the rough work, you can show the rough work also, do it with this method, or you can find the answer directly also. If you have practiced it, you can do it directly also. Okay, I'll give you another example. Now in this example you can see that question is in root sign. Now root is given, so first you will change this root sign, okay, remove the root sign. And if index is given, this number is index. If index is given, you will write index in the power. And if index is not given, it is understood that power is 1 upon 2. Root is equals to 1 upon 2. If index is not given, you will write 1 upon 2 in the power. But here you can see index is given, so when you remove the root sign, you will write whole power 1 upon 7. So index will come. Okay, same way you are going to solve. You will suppose that n equals to this question. Okay, same steps, 28.3, and then you will convert this, remove the root sign, so 28.3 power 1 upon 7. Okay, this is n. Now take log on both sides, so this will become log n equals to power, always write before log, 1 upon 7. uh, Wait, first let me write the log 28.3 power 1 upon 7. Now in this step we will write 1 upon 7 before log, 1 upon 7 log 28.3. Okay. Now we will solve this part. 1 upon 7 will remain as it is. Find the log of this number. Okay, second step. First step is we have applied the law here. According to the law, power will come before log. Now the second step is to find the log of this number. You can directly find it. Decimal will shift here after first digit. So characteristic is 1 and point. Check 28 in column 3. In log table we are finding log, so 28 column 3 value will come 4518. Now in this case 1 upon 7 into this means you will divide this number by 7. Okay, so it means 1.4518 divided by 7. So divide this, log of n equals to, after dividing you'll get 0.2074. This is log n. Okay, now the last step is to find the anti-log. So n equals to, log will shift this side, so it will change into anti-log of 0.2074. Now in anti-log, 0 is the characteristic and rest is mantissa, and you check mantissa in the anti-log table. So you will check 20 column 7 and mean difference column 4. After adding, okay, you will write the answer. So 20 column 7 mean difference column 4, your answer will come 1612. Now where to put the decimal? We always add 1 in the decimal. So characteristic is 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So after one digit. So this is the answer. Simple it is, it's not difficult. Just root is given, so you will remove the root sign and write the index in the power. If index is not given, you will write 1 upon 2 in the power. Rest is same. Apply log on both sides, then apply the laws of logarithm. So power will come before log. Then you have to find the log of this number using log table. Divide this by this 7, and then in the end find anti-log of the number using anti-log table. Okay, so please practice both log and anti-log. Okay, now this example number 4, you can see in this question 3.825 and 0.00729. Same way, first steps are same. Okay, first two steps, you have to suppose let x equals to these two brackets. Then you will take log on both sides, so log of x equals to log of these two brackets. After that you will apply the law, so the product sign will change into plus sign. Okay, after applying law, what you do, you find the logarithm. Okay, here we have applied the law, we have changed this product sign into plus sign. After this, next step is to find the logarithm of these two numbers. So you can find it directly also. Decimal is already after first digit, no need to shift it anywhere. It means that characteristic is 0 point. You will check 38 in column 2, 38 in column 2 and mean difference column 5, then add both answers like this. 38 column 2 is 5821 and mean difference column 5 value is 6. So you will add these two, you will get 0.5827. So you will write it here 5827. Okay, or you can solve it further, characteristic plus mantissa. After adding also you'll get the same answer, 0.5827. okay, plus log of this number. Now in this case you can see decimal is not after first non-zero digit. This is 0, this is 0, this is non-zero, so decimal will come after this. So this decimal you have to shift after this. So you are shifting 1, 2, 3 places, and this number is smaller than 1. So if number is smaller than 1, it means that characteristic is negative. So 1, 2, 3 -3 means bar 3. Characteristic is bar 3 point. Now you will check this in the table. There are no zeros in log table, so we'll start with this 72 column 9. Check in log table. 72 here, column 9 is 0.8627. Check it in the log table. We'll write it here, 8627. Okay, or you can solve it like this. Characteristic is bar 3, then mantissa is this, then you add characteristic and mantissa, same way you'll get the same answer, or you can directly write this answer. Now in this case there is negative value. Now how to solve the negative question? Whenever there is negative value given, we break the term. Okay, if negative is given, we will break this into characteristic plus mantissa in this form. We'll write it in this form. Okay, this form, characteristic plus mantissa. So this answer you will break it in this form. So bar 3 plus this remaining part, 0.8627. This you will do it whenever there is a minus sign or bar. Okay, bar or minus are same. So if there is bar in the question, you will break the question into characteristic plus mantissa. Now we will solve this and this part. Okay, add these two with calculator. Don't add the bar one. This number plus this number with calculator you will add. You will get 1.4454, and this you will write as it is plus bar 3. Now when a bar is given, what we do? Bar means minus 3. Okay, bar means minus 3. What we'll do, we will solve this bar 3. This is integral part actually. This integral part and this integral part. Okay, don't solve this whole number, just this number, integral part, number before decimal, 1 and this bar 3. Okay, so you will subtract these two. Bar 3 means minus 3. Okay, minus 3 plus 1. So what you will get? You will get, let me write it here in the bracket. Bar 3 means minus 3 plus 1 is equals to minus 2, sign of the greater number. Okay, we have solved only this part and this part, integral part. This you will do it only in the bar question. Okay, negative ones. So this bar 3 and this 1, minus 3 plus 1. Okay, there is plus sign. So 1 plus bar 3 or bar 3 plus 1. Okay, so minus 3 plus 1 will give you minus 2. So in this and this you have solved it. So minus 2 means it is bar 2. Okay, so this and this, after solving you'll get bar 2 point, this remaining part as it is, 4 4 5 4. Okay, solve the integral part, bar 3 and 1, solve it, 1 and this bar 3, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Okay, so this minus 2 is bar 2. Bar 2 will come instead of this, bar 2.4454. So this is log x. This you will do it in the bar question. Okay, break the term into characteristic plus mantissa and solve it. Now the last step is to find the antilog of it. Antilog of bar 2.4454. So bar 2 is the characteristic, rest is mantissa. Mantissa you will check in antilog table, you'll get this value 2786. 44 column 5 is 2786. Mean difference column 4 is 3. So you add these two, you'll get 2789. So it is equals to 2789. 9. Now where to put the decimal? What we do, we add 1 in the characteristic. So characteristic is bar 2. Bar 2 plus 1 means bar is minus. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 means you will add 1 0 on the left hand side. Minus sign means on the left hand side, and 1 means minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So minus sign, it shows that on the left hand side, and 1 means 1 0 on the left hand side. You will write 1 0, then put the decimal. So this is the value of x. This is the answer. Okay. I hope you have understood this. Anything you don't understand, just ask me. I'll explain it again. Okay. In the class also, um, anytime you can ask me. Try to solve the exercise if possible. At least first 5 questions you can solve it, and then I will send you the solution also. Okay. Please practice. Try to do it. Okay. Then you will understand it. Okay, girls. Take care. Bye.